Hello everyone, and this is my Nexon XZ Plus dual tone. I am having an issue with this error screen here, where you can see it here. As soon as I start the vehicle and drive around like 10 kilometers, I am getting this error, and I am losing the pickup, and I am not getting a mileage, and also none of the drive modes are working, and the engine is on right now, and you can see here, and you can hear the noise as well. See, none of the drive modes are working, and I don't even see the and also you can see here the engine is getting heat up very quickly, and you can hear the noise outside of the engine, which I'm getting like a knock sound. This is the issue I'm getting here, and I went to the Tata Nexon service center, and those guys have informed me that you need to wait for another 3 or 4 days, and we'll get back to you, and we need to bring some part, and I'm just waiting for the call. And also I'm having an issue with this gear. Whenever I put the gear in the third gear and drive and keep running, it automatically drifts into the neutral position. And I also noticed it having the same issue with some other people as well, some other customers who is driving the Nexon car, and I told the same thing, and they have informed me that it's a gearbox issue, and they're going to fix it.